All right, this is the dissertation writing workshop, and this is the second section in chapter 2, the literature review chapter. Okay, so the purpose of the literature search strategy section is to detail the databases and search terms used for the literature review and to indicate the date ranges of the search documents. Okay, so in the first paragraph we're going to list the library databases and search engines that were used in the literature research. Then we're going to indicate the topics that drove the search. Right now, the difference between the topics and the search terms are as follows. So let's say you start with a topic, right? MMORPGs, right? That's, the gaming or gaming. Let's just do it more simply, gaming. You're going to use different search terms to obtain articles on that topic. So you may say online gaming, MMORPG, that may be a search term, or online gaming may be another search term, or adult gaming may be another search term. Those are all search terms for the particular topic, gaming. So you're going to discuss the topics that you used to guide your searches, okay, in the first paragraph, and then you're going to indicate the time frame used for the references. Then in paragraph 2, you're going to detail the search terms that you use in the literature review, and you're going to report on the number of articles that were found at various stages of the keyword search process. Okay? All right, so let's go to Dr. Walker's example. And here we have the literature search strategy. So the first thing we need to do is list the library databases. I researched the internet and the Walden University Library databases. I used the following search engines: EBSCOhost, Google Scholar, ProQuest, SciArticles, and search multiple databases. All right, so you can check that part off. Indicate the topics that drove your search. There were several topics that I targeted in my literature review search. They included the following: attachment and family therapy, attachment styles among young adults, a test of 4-category model, individual psychology on the virtual frontier, massive multiplayer online role-playing game. That's what MMORPG stands for. Research design, qualitative, quantitative, and mixed method approaches, the development of the problematic online gaming questionnaire. Okay, and then additional search topics also included online computer gaming, gender differences and related factors affecting online gaming addiction, addiction to the internet and online gaming, and online gaming dependency. Okay, now the third thing, indicate the time frame used for the reference searches. The search range was the search range was 1969 to 2021. Okay, so now you have that paragraph. Okay, so pause, write the first paragraph. Okay, get this paragraph down, and then we will go on to the second paragraph. So pause the video and write the first paragraph. All right.